Hi, my name is Nur Hasham Dashim. This is my activity, which is matching riddles. Matching riddles is the easiest level on the taxonomy Bloom's theories, and the matching riddles come with the instructions, which is here, and the game card. This matching riddles have two versions, which is the first one is fruits and the second version is vegetable. Okay, from the instruction card we have to take one game card, which is here. Then we have to move the button according to the pictures in the card. Okay, as you can see, the first row is already done. Right now, we're going to move to the second row, which is pomegranate, strawberry and apple. Now we're going to... We also provide 10 game cards for the player to choose. That's all for me.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aina binti Mamain. Today, I want to introduce you my game about Squirrel Maze. In this game, children will get to enhance the cognitive development, also how to solving problem skill, and also to improve their balance and coordination. Lastly, they will get to eye-hand coordination to balance off of that. Okay guys, this is Squirrel's Maze. So in Squirrel Maze, we have squirrels, we have the food out there, and we have a storage bag. Inside the storage bag, we have a instruction, so the kids can to read first. And this game, you need to have the squirrel to take the food to their home. First, kids need to untie the rope. Yeah, one by one. And then you need to pull down the squirrel. And inside the storage have the pom-pom. So pom-pom is like the food to help. Food, you need to put the hole, and then you need to help squirrel to take to his home. So you need to and then okay, you can see how I focus I am to do this. And yeah, there we go. So we have a food to squirrel. Yay! Okay guys, this is Squirrel's Maze. I hope you enjoy this game, and bye!
Hi, my name is Nosara Nadia. I will explain about my game, which is the balance market. Okay, for my game, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, which is the game cards, the weight guide card, the instruction card, this one, obstacle cards, and the time challenge card. So this is the balance, the weighing scale, and this is the pouch with a lot of fruits and vegetables inside. So I will explain about this later on. So now I will show you how to play. Okay, so now I will show you on how to play this game. Okay, so basically we have the instruction card here written on how to play this game. There are 4 pieces of this instruction card, so you can read this if you want, but now I will explain on how to play just by showing you. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to take the game cards. So the game cards will tell you on what to do. Okay, for example, I will take the first one. I choose this one.
Alright, I read it for you. In the instruction, it said, embark on a fruit quest. Place any fruit on one side of the scale and challenge yourself to find the right mix on the other side for a balanced triumph. Alright, so I will take a fruit from this pouch. The fruit that I choose is this one, watermelon. So I put on one side of the balance scale. As you can see, the balance scale is not balanced. So I have to make it balanced by taking any fruits inside this pouch to make it balanced. So that's what the children have to do. So there's a lot of fruits. I will scatter it around here. So the children can choose and just put it here. Alright. So that's what they have to do. But to make it more interesting, there are time challenge cards which say that, for example, I show you the first instruction. It says your challenge, complete the balance task within 1 minute. So they have to weight the weighing scale around 1 minute. And then there's another obstacle cards which make this game level higher. So the obstacle cards, one of the example is, you cannot use apples or oranges in this round. Find an alternative combination of fruits to achieve equilibrium on the scale. So it becomes harder for the children because the children cannot use apple or oranges, so they need to use the other fruits that are provided here. So that's basically how we play this game. So if the children have problem on balancing the vegetables and fruits, they can use the hint card, which we call the weight guide card. So need a hint or loss in the balance, they have to grab one card. So for example, they grab this one card, and then at this card it shows how many gram is the fruit. For example, the pumpkin is 30 gram. So if we put the pumpkin on this side, to make it balanced, they have to mix, for example, eggplants. They have to figure out, for example, they need to have 3 eggplants, for example, and then carrot to make it 30 gram. So they have to figure it out by using the weight guide card. So this one is a hint actually. So that's all from me. This is the game of the balance market. For example, I put a watermelon on this side. As you can see, the weighing scale is not balanced. To make it balanced, I take any other fruits or vegetables to put at this side. So I choose to put a pumpkin on this side. As you can see, it is still not balanced because the watermelon is heavier than the pumpkin. So what I have to do is, I take another 2 fruits, strawberries, and then I put it at this side. And then if you still think it's not balanced, you can take another fruits such as mango or oranges and put it at this side. And now it's balanced. That's all from me.
Hi everyone, my name is Hana Maisara binti Mustafa Kamal and this is my game, Worms and Leather. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So in this Worms and Leather game, you will receive an instruction cards, a booklet of fruits and vegetables, and these hands, a die, and this is mini mushroom token. In this game, I will be this orange mushroom token. I am going to roll the dice and look at the number stated. So it is number 1. So I'm going to move 1. So right now you're landed on potato. So you're going to find potato cards here. So in this potato card, I receive what is the color of a potato. So I'm going to pick the random answers here. So I'm going to choose what color of the potato. So these are the colors stated. The color of the potato is yellow. So I'm going to pick yellow here and place it here. Easy, right? Okay. If another person are going to land also at the potato, they are given the other cards of potato as well. If you land on the hand here, for example, you will get to see a card here. For example, this one. So, my color is the same as my name. I'm going to choose any of the fruits or vegetables here. So, this is an orange. I'm gonna pick orange and place it here. If you get to roll the die and it gets 6, you get one more round to move. Easy, right? And that is how you play worms and leather. Enjoy playing. Bye!
Hello everyone, I'm Ayano. This is my game Rubber Band Creator. So the material is this board and colorful rubber band and this vegetable and fruit hint cards and instruction card. This game has the 3 version. Now I'm going to show you my first version. Now let's make the strawberry. First I make the red line. So children needs to think about by using 1 or 2 rubber bands, 1 or 2 or more rubber bands. Then I use the 1 rubber bands. Then next to the green line, so first I make these 3 dots. So this rubber band is too big to these 3 lines. So children needs to think about the solutions, and my solution is folding the rubber bands. And then fix the 3 dots. So continue the same step, other 2 or 3 green line. Complete the strawberry. Now I'm talking about version 2 and version 3. In version 2, children can create more original food and vegetable without their hint card. And version 3 are giving their theme to the players, and players create their original patterns following the given theme. That's all for the Rubber Band Creator game. Bye!